It's an opportunity for individuals to earn more money.
A great opportunity for the academia.
DHA Karachi took the initiative of establishing an IT hub by the name of Innovista Indus, which is the need of the hour. The event took place at DHA Golf Club on May 2nd, 2024. This was the second stage of the project when 19 IT companies gathered to sign a memorandum of understanding with DHA.
Today, I think almost 19 companies, they are going to sign the MOUs with us. And mentioning is basically that, alhamdulillah, we've been able to engage the Microsoft also. In our training program, we are going to sign MOU with the Microsoft also. Microsoft has engaged with us to train, groom, and then give the certifications to the candidates which will be undergoing the training here in this IT hub.
Innovista Indus, in collaboration with Microsoft Pakistan, will also provide trainings and accreditation to young people who are just joining the workforce, and it is expected to generate a huge revenue in Pakistan.
These companies who are going to be attached with us, they're gonna get all the leverages which are there for the special technology zone. So we are working on that. So in that way, this facility will not only provide the cordial atmosphere and the modern facility, but will also facilitate the companies to join the STC and get these benefits which are there for the members of that STC, which the government are providing them.
Chief Minister Sindh, Mr. Murad Ali Shah, was the chief guest, and he appreciated the efforts of DHA, stating that public-private partnership in the IT field is essential for the youth who are tech-savvy, and it would generate much-needed revenue. Co-Commander 5 Corps Lieutenant General Babar Iftikhar graced the occasion and thanked the IT companies for being part of Innovista Indus. The MOU signing was witnessed by the Administrator DHA, Brigadier Rana Shehzad Shafi, and the signing was done by Brigadier Asim Ali, Secretary DHA. The guests greatly appreciated the MOU signing as IT is the future globally.
DHA का बहुत ज़बरदस्त इनिशिएटिव है, क्योंकि IT की एक्सपोर्ट या IT इंडस्ट्री की जो हम बूम की बात कर रहे हैं वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बगैर अधूरी है, और एक अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट, एक अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पुश करता है फॉर कोलैबोरेशन, पार्टनरशिप्स, साथ मिलके लोगों को बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स को बिड करने के लिए, तो it's there.
The initiative taken by DHA Karachi was met with much praise, as Innovista Indus would provide the whole ecosystem of IT under one roof, and people from across the province would benefit from it. With this initiative firmly in place, the future looks bright for the youth.